Face matter of fact, panic attack to back, step back and I'm off track, flat trapped in the abstract, start to see the cracks in the pitch black. Close a picture on the magazine rack, a political hat, and answer to the Yeti and Jack, I fight back. Walk the words of talk, cause the rap's not an act. Keep my soul intact, to relax and react, the exact tracks to attract, then create an impact. Close contact, we interact, when we sign a contract, we make a pact to track the 40 fact. We can dish it out and say we bring it back. All the fight between us is as deep as the innocence attacked in Iraq. In our mind to the propaganda designed to distract, keep buying items and paying tax. Spending all your cash into the strap while the stake is sitting on steps. You got the better deal, I'll let you do the math, cause I'm sick of the bullshit, I'm sick of the violence, I'm sick of the rich men that smile while my brothers suffer in silence. Sick of the corrupt, sick of the tyrants, sick of the giants and silent civilian children fighting over diamonds. I'm sick of compliance, I'm sick of the war, sick of the system's reliance on a few rich and many poor. I'm sick of the grandeur, I'm sick of the hunger. As time goes by, I'm getting sick of it all.
I'm a shamanic, a magic filibuster, casting spells upon society to get it into a fluster. I design my rhymes to interact with neural clusters, inseminating ideas to see what new thoughts can muster. Spiritual, lyrical, always being intertwined like a vine trying to climb. We're supposed to reach the light and I'll be symbiote. Or are we parasite? It all depends, my friends, on how we choose to use our sight. We can choose to use thoughts to rearrange matter, looking deep inside the static. Always find a pattern, significance in numbers or movements of Saturn. I don't know, but know that thoughts will often dictate what's going to happen. Just whatever's out there, it's all in here. It's all what you create, so there's no need to fear, no need to be angry, no need to be scared, cause this entire reality is what your conscious mind prepared. Choose to be happy to live every single day in this great cosmic game you've been invited to play. And every thought that you project, every word that you say, there's an entire universe out there for you to create. But yet we make the mistake of getting stuck on the negative, incapacitating thoughts are acting as a sedative, when empowering yourself should be your only imperative. Let that ego guilt trip go, after all it's all relative. It's perceptions are defined by objective, which is subjective. There's never been a standard perspective amongst this collective, and that's not meant to be corrected.
The right solutions dispersed homogeneously to a crowd of facing God's grace, embraced with their faces menacing. Thrive on adrenaline, venison flesh from a skeleton, deprived of the correct medicine, not a drug but something from within. Sinning in the beginning, winning was it not, cause it could have been. Combine the masculine and the feminine, not just a sense of men and women, but a spiral spinning. Rock the foundations thinning, written in shock, stick a pin in him, spitting a synonym. What was he really saying? Telling of a life of a day and spent praying, portraying the protagonist disobeying to find a way in the split. It's
Good work.
No, man.
Pixie power.
it's
I wonder if I can do it with my foot.
what you're saying?
We can start.
Oh, whoa, because the